Start recording. Stop recording. Button. Speech off.
You already know what it is. I'm back. I'm about to go in my bathroom right now and we're about to do some shit. You already know what it is. In my bathroom, about to set this up right here. Facing me. I already know. Okay, here I got my shampoo. Okay, and over there. This is hair conditioner. Okay, so I'm about to prank my friend. He's not here, but he likes conditioning, and I bought him some for his birthday. He said he wanted it, which is I don't get. Okay, I'm about to pour this out. Okay, now that is done. Let's get the pranks. Okay, got my water right now. It's going. Okay, now my hands are freaking wet. Okay, now that I got this done, I'm about to set this up and enjoy. And I'm about to leave the camera in here. First I gotta hide it. So first I don't want to touch the camera with my wet hands, so I'm about to wash it off. I just hide it right